Now we're gonna present lesson about compare Windows 3.1 and SL Linux 1.0. And now let me introduce my team. The first one is...
My name is Agustina, my NPN 2012 2014 22.
And the second?
My name is Muhammad Yunus, my NPM 2012 14 27.
And me is Isan Kamil, my NPM is 2012 14 16. And
my name is Bio Oscar Wager, my NPM 2012 40 20.
Okay everyone, now I'm gonna explain material number 1 about Windows 3.1 is history. The first one, Windows 3.1 is the GUI, Graphical User Interface, based operating system developed by Microsoft and released in April 1992. Windows 3.1 was successor to Windows 3.0 and became one of the most popular versions in the early 1999 before the advent of Windows 95. The system ran on top of MS-DOS, meaning Windows 3.1 was not a standalone operating system, but rather a graphical interface that made it easier for users to operate the computer without having to type commands in DOS. And Windows 3.1 introduced numerous stability improvement, a smoother interface, and support for TrueType fonts, enabling high-quality text to be displayed on screen and print. Example, widely on IBM and compact computer at the same time. Okay. Now, story about SL Linux SLS 1.0. Linux SLS 1.0 or soft landing Linux system initially released its first version in May 1992, which is generally considered the early release of the first complete Linux distribution. The initial release provided a fully functional system for technical users, developers, and students who wanted to exit Unix-like environment. The version completely labeled SLS 1.0 was later released on August 1992 to combining the Linux kernel, Unix utility, X Windows system, and develop tools in a single package. SLS is known as the foundation modern Linux distribution, particularly because it served as the base for slackware Linux, although far more technical and harder to use compared to Windows 3.1. SLS 1.0 played a crucial role in Linux development by providing stable multitasking and multi-user environment for development, academic work, and operating system experiment.
Hello guys, I want to explain GUI, Graphical User Interface, Composition, Operating System Windows 3.1 and Operating System Linux SLS 1.0. Windows 3.1, the first one, full Windows base GUI and tool, compact icons, menu, colors, and mouse port. 3. Desktop is easy to user for beginners. 4. Include File Manager and Program Manager for my navigation. GUI collision Windows 3 and 3.1 is far superior due to its focus on user-friendly GUI. With operating system Windows SLS 1.0, point 1, default is non-GUI command line. Point 2, GUI available via X Windows System X11, but 1, not user-friendly. 2, setting up default and manual. 3, no modern desktop environment like GNOME or KDE not available at the time. Point 3, main use for terminal and several text. GUI collision SLS 1.0 is still highly technical and not suitable for general user.
Hello everyone, I want to explain comparison in terms of features and functionalities. For Windows 3.1, using Program Manager and File Manager. 2, using the type font support. And 3, basic multimedia with WAV and MIDI. 4, simple printer and network support. 5, support many office applications like Word, Excel, and Edge. Windows 3.1 cannot full multitasking and dependent on MS-DOS, and 3, unstable when running heavy application. And Linux SLS 1.0 can complete multitasking and multi-user operating system. 2 development tools like VCC, compiler, V editor, Unix and utilities. 4 powerful command line shell. 5 standard Unix networking. 6 stable and open source. Linux SLS 1.0 and cannot suitable for general user. 2 software setup is difficult and often minimal. 3 UI applications are very limited and not suitable.
Hello everyone, I can explain about Windows 3.1 and Linux SLS 1.0 minimum specification. Windows 3.1 minimum specification, the first one, processor Intel 8002, 186 minimum, 8003, 86 recommended. 2 RAM minimum 1 MB, 2 MB recommended. 3 storage approximately 10 to 15 MB of free hard disk space. 4 base operation system MS-DOS 3.1 or higher. 5 display VDR or video graphic array or higher. Linux SLS 1.0 minimum specification. The first one, processor Intel 8003, 86 32-bit. 2 RAM minimum 2 MB, recommended 4 MB for X Windows system. 3 storage 40 MB hard disk. 4 kernel unit utility X Windows system and development tools. 4 base operation system early Linux kernel v0.01 to v0.12 supplemented with Unix utilities X Windows system and development tools. 5 display VDR text mode GUI optional via X Windows system. Thank you.
Okay guys, now I wanna explain about conclusion of Windows 3.1 versus Linux SLS 1.0. Okay, what is ease of use or UI and features. Windows 3.1 excels with a full window-based UI, complete icon, menu, color, and mouse port. The desktop is easy to use and support popular office applications like Word, Excel, and whatever. So Windows SLS 1.1 is more technical. Default non-GUI and its GUI via the X Windows system is difficult to use and not beginner-friendly. However, it was a powerful command line shell and complete development tools. Okay, point 2 is system, power, and multitasking. Windows 3.1 only support cooperative multitasking and released on MS-DOS, making it less stable when running heavy applications. Linux SLS 1.0 offers the true multitasking, multi-user support, stability, and is open source, making it suitable for development, programming, and server use. So now is compare hardware recruitment. Windows 3.1 is lighter, 802.86 per 386 processor, 1 to 5 MB RAM, 12 to 15 MB storage. Linux SLS 1.0 is heavier due to complete Unix tools, 386 per 456 processor, 4 to 8 MB RAM, 18 to 112 MB storage, VGA for X11. Now it's compared suitable user. Windows 3.1 general user, office, school, and everyday tasks. GUI is easy to understand and does not require high-end hardware. Linux SLS 1.0 technical user, programmers, and academic experiment, stable, multitasking, and powerful for self, but difficult for beginners. Now, final conclusion is Windows 3.1 is suitable for general user, office, school, and everyday tasks. Its GUI is easy to understand and does not require high-end and hardware. Linux SLS 1.0 is suitable for technical user, programmer, and academic experiment. The system is stable, support multitasking, and powerful for self-use, but difficult for beginners to use. Okay, thank you.
Okay guys, thank you for the attention about Windows 3.1 and Linux 1.0. We are from team number 2 is say goodbye.